Hey my beautiful people, so today I am so excited to bring you guys this video. This is a sponsored video. I was sent this item. Thank you so much for sending me this, Duvolle, and it is the Radiance skincare system. It has 4 brush attachments. Well, let me just say this, 3 brush attachments and 1 attachment for your feet. So this is not only for your face, it is also for your body, y'all. It is so wonderful because I am a fan and a huge believer in making sure skincare is first before anything. So with that being said, this is the packaging of the skincare system. I love that it's a very sleek design. It's right there, straightforward. It shows you everything that comes in the box. So now that I fully opened the package, I just want to briefly show you guys how everything looks. Here, this is the base unit for your attachments, and I have to say it feels very sturdy. It doesn't feel flimsy. It feels very well made. Here is the pumice stone, usually used for your feet, so I love that because I do pedicures every now and then. Here is the body brush, a nice size body brush, y'all, really nice size. And then you have the cleansing brush and the exfoliation brush. Here I'm just simply showing you that I'm going to use the cleansing brush today to do a demonstration. Now that my attachment is on, I'm going to go ahead and head on over to the bathroom so we can go ahead and put this cleansing brush to use. Hey y'all, so here I am, and I'm using again the cleansing brush attachment, and I'm going to use my Cetaphil daily facial cleanser. And prior to this, I did wet my face and I did wash/rinse the brush before, because any tools like this I always make sure to wash them thoroughly before putting them to my face or body. So I'm just going in with that Cetaphil product and cleansing my face. And I will say, if you're familiar with Cetaphil products, you do know that they do not lather up very good. If not, they don't lather up at all, but it works for me and my sensitive skin, so I love that, and it makes me feel super clean when using Cetaphil products. So far, I am really loving this skincare system. It is very gentle, it is very easy, it is not heavy to use. This cleansing brush, y'all, is everything. And all you need to do is pop in 4 AA batteries and you're good to go. Perfect for on the go, which is awesome. Okay, so now that you got your face super cleansed, you're gonna rinse it off, of course, and dry it. When I tell y'all, my face feels so amazing, like amazing. And I haven't even put a moisturizer on yet. So nice. But I will go in with my Cetaphil moisturizing lotion and, just apply that all over just to lock in everything. The next thing I'm going to do is apply my Keys Soul Care Reviving Aura Mist. I absolutely love this product. Love it. And my Keys Soul Care Comforting Balm. Thank you so much, Duvolle, for sending me this product. Make sure, you guys, to check the description down below for 70% off of yours. Thank you for watching.